In this segment, we are going to calibrate the Flo-Gard 2 flow switch. To the left, you'll see our Flo-Gard 2 with a 1S2 reed switch. It also has an LED for indication purposes. On the right, we have a flow indicator. We're going to use this as a reference to make our set points. Let me get started by showing you our factory setting, which is set at 30% of full scale, and in this case, that's 0.6. We're going to go ahead and check the set point, and I'm going to go ahead and apply flow, and as you can see, the LED will light just above 0.6 GPM, and it should go off. The contact should open at 0.6, and as you can see, it is doing that. What we're going to do is make adjustments to the set point and then recalibrate it to the factory setting without using the indicator at all. Again, I'm going to go ahead and simulate this again, and as you can see, just above 0.6, actually about 0.75 is where the contacts will actually close. We have this Flo-Gard wired as a normally open contact, so with no flow the contacts are actually open. I am going to move the set point up scale. Every counterclockwise half turn represents approximately about 30% of the full scale. I am going to go ahead and set this to where the set point is about at full scale. The contact should open here at approximately 1.95, and that's what it's doing, and it remains open all the way throughout the scale. So now the set point has been adjusted out of the 30% factory setting, and I'm going to go ahead and reset it, not using the indicator at all, at a no flow condition. And what we do is we take the adjusting screw and we turn it in a counterclockwise direction until the light just comes on. At that point, you should stop. As you can see, the green dot, which is the reference mark on the disc, is at about 9 o'clock. Now rotate the disc clockwise until the light goes off and position it at about 3 o'clock, which should be to the right side of the block, closest to the LED. This is set at 30% with no flow at all. To check that, I am going to simulate flow, and we can check to see if in fact that is set back to the 30% factory setting at 0.6. So just above 0.6, actually at 0.75, which is about 9% hysteresis. There is a hysteresis built into these switches. As I decrease my flow, the contact should open again at 30% of full scale is where it's at right now. This is the factory setting, and this is how you can get your set point back to the original factory setting is by following this step.